The situation is, and it's a bit of a pain. So Amazon lets you send emails through their system until such time as the customer opts out of those emails, not just for you, but for all emails like that, okay? So they opt out once, and then everybody can no longer, all the sellers can no longer send them emails, all right? Unless that email is critical for your business and for them. Things like, when's your product going to arrive, how to use the product, shipping information, defects, refunds, yada, yada, yada. So critical stuff for the business. So, but you can't just send them, hey, hope you've had a good time with our product. If you liked it, leave a review. You can no longer send them that sort of thing if, and only if, they've opted out. If they haven't opted out, you're good to go. You're good as gold, okay? My anecdotal information based on my own stuff and the stuff of the guys that I am in the masterminds with is it's as high as 50% opt out in the USA for certain categories. So for instance, one of the things that one of the categories we're involved in the USA is health and beauty. It's 50% of folks have opted out because they were just being like barraged with emails from sellers, because that's an extremely competitive niche, health and beauty. Now, there is a new piece of software that I am testing, which I will do a proper lowdown for you, but I'll give you all the link. Send to all. So I put a link in the question area for you. If you're watching this afterwards, I'll put a link underneath this video for you. And this software is great. So far, it's been freaking fantastic. It works in Australia, which a lot of software doesn't. So it integrates with Australia. It means I can send emails to my Australian customers. And if they've opted out, it doesn't matter. You can still send them an email. So it's pretty freaking sexy. And I love this software. And you can pay a little bit extra. I think it's like 20 cents per record to get the actual email addresses, the real email addresses, so your Gmail or Hotmail, whatever it may be, address of your customers. You can pay to get that too, which is just fantastic. So try that, give that a shot. They've got a free trial as well, which is fantastic, so give that a shot. And I'm going to do a complete breakdown of that software, go through it all for you, make sure you understand how to use it, because I'm just testing it. I've only been using it for like just over 2 weeks, coming up to 3 weeks. So far though, it's freaking awesome. So yeah, use that. I'll put a link underneath this video if you're watching this recording, okay? So don't stress. If you aren't, then don't worry about it. Yeah, I've given you the link in there. Hopefully that came through for you. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.